Hello everybody, welcome to the Days in Lenexa, Kansas. Starting this video where you walk in the door because that's where you first enter the room. So, continuing on to the left here. As you can see, we have a coat rack and a safe. Continuing into the bathroom. Got a nice big vanity there. Your favorite content creator. A big mirror. A hair dryer. Soap and shampoo. And there's the shower. However, the shower head is a little bit low. If you're about 6 feet tall, it's going to be about eye level. But even that isn't too big of a deal. Also, the door comes in kind of far, in my opinion. So the whole bathroom might just be a little bit too small. But even so, nothing that makes it unusable. Continuing on, there's another big mirror on the hallway, or on the wall, I mean. Kind of a little hallway. A night desk, a nightstand on the left side of the bed with a lamp, and as per usual, it has the USB ports and an outlet. And there we see a nice big king-size bed, which is pretty comfortable to lay in, as I was doing. It obviously did not look like that when I came in. Another nightstand, obviously that's where I have my charger plugged into. An ironing board and an iron to go with it. Although right in front of it is kind of an awkwardly placed recliner. I mean, it's not a bad recliner, I don't know if that's the best place for it, but I guess it's okay. I personally would have put it like over here somewhere, although I don't know why you'd have it there, but over there is just kind of in the way, kind of unnecessary in my opinion. But moving on. Curtains to the window. Oh, and the air conditioning and heating unit, which does work, but I haven't really needed to use it. See what the view is. I got a nice view of the parking lot and the street. And some trees. Not the worst thing to look at. And there's a desk. Obviously, I have some stuff on it there. I don't see any outlets by it, though. Oh, no, I'm wrong. There's one down there. Chair for the desk, which goes back kind of a bit far, but if you like to lean back, I guess that's okay. Is it supposed to go that far? It doesn't. It's not broken, I don't think. No? Oh wait, maybe you can adjust it? No, that just goes up and down. Okay, well, there's a chair that goes back really far. And last but not least, the TV, which is hanging on a wall. A lot of times I see it just sitting on a shelf, so that's a welcome change. Makes it look a bit more modern, I guess. And we have a microwave and a refrigerator, both in working clean condition, and a luggage rack. So that's about it. Oh, the Super 8 in Lenexa, Kansas. Lenexa. Why did I say the Super 8 in Lenexa, Kansas? my overall opinion, pretty good for $60. Actually, pretty nice for $60. Kind of a bit nicer of a budget hotel. Would recommend, would stay again. Thank you for watching.